Meaning of hammerhead shark.
Hammerhead shark.
Hammerhead shark.
Hammerhead shark.
Hammerhead shark. The hammerhead shark is a species of shark that is easily recognizable by its unique head shape, which resembles a hammer or an axe. This flattened head allows the shark's eyes to have a wider range of vision and improved depth perception, which helps it to hunt more effectively. Hammerhead sharks can be found in warm waters around the world and are known for their predatory behavior, feeding primarily on smaller fish and squid. These sharks are also often hunted by humans for their fins, which are considered a delicacy in some cultures despite the negative impact on the species' population.